What up, guys? Today we're gonna do an oil change to the fucking Camaro, and then we're also gonna be adding some coolant, and we're gonna do a little maintenance on it. Look, guys, guess what happened right here? I hit the fuck out of it with the jack. Fucking dumbass nigga. Right? All right, so I lifted up the car. I gotta get the fucking thing right here. Look, it could be this dirty, like Oliver's butthole. You're gonna need this one to take off the oil filter, and I believe it's a 15 millimeter. If not, I'll double check right now. So right here, you can see the filter, and let me see, where's the fucking thing? And the oil plug right there, and the filter. So it is a 15 millimeter, but I'm gonna use the shorter one. That one's too long. I'm gonna take out the oil. Hopefully it's not hot. Make sure that the fucking wrench stays off, because then I can tighten it and then strip the bolt. Make sure it's loose. Once it's loose, be careful. Unloosen it. See what happens when you're not quick enough. It was overdue for a fucking oil change. As the new filters right here. Get some oil on it. Make sure that the filter is tight enough so it won't be no leaks. You could put on the fucking little. La perdí a la verga. Put the screw back in. Now you could turn on your car without no oil. See what happens. I'm not responsible for anything that happens to your car. Make sure it says on. You can move this out of the way. You don't want to tighten it a lot, because then it's gonna strip it. It's good enough. So now the easy part, the fun part, takes 10 quarts. 040. Alright. So the hole was a little bit too small. I'll show you guys right now when I cut it, because this shit was taking forever. Now it's like me, fast. As you can see, look at this shit. Had to use a little fucking knife, little asshole, like Oliver's dick. It's like when you go take a piss. You gotta shake it a little bit. You shake it more than 3 times, you're fucking gay. Alright guys, so now we're gonna install this. Got no wiper fluid, so I'm fucking coolant. Let's see. We know how to fucking install this. I think right here. Alright, this is the easy part. Making it in the hole. Needs a little bit more. That's fine enough. You can just save this for later. Now this one is the wiper fluid. Don't be too hard on the thing, cause that's what happens. Oliver's just gonna buy me a new one now. Look, it's orange. Don't get the mix. You're gonna be all fucked up. I already had a lot on it, so I don't want to put that much. I don't know why it's taking all of it. It was basically full. I'm just kidding. It was already asking for some. No mames. I got another one. Don't worry, guys. This is the second one, guys, because I thought it was full. Now it's full. Just don't mind that. I just press it a couple times once it's on. Alright, so now I'm gonna just turn it on, make sure it's not knocking or nothing, because I'm gonna be fucked. No motor, no car, no nothing. Make sure everything's fucking closed.